Hello everyone, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know, friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course, we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET examination. In today's lecture, we'll be talking the topic from the mathematics paper 2. This is the topic that will be asked in the mathematics paper 2, not for the paper 1. So this is the cone structure from the 3D structure of the mensurations. So let us discuss the question about it. Before moving into the video, friends, for the Central Teacher Eligibility Test, a complete course has been launched by Global Online platform for paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. And if you want to get enrolled to the course, you can download the Global Online application from the Play Store, or you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 866-9316-919 or 8179138413. The highlighting feature of this particular course will be that one-on-one mentorship will be provided to you. Global Online application is available on the Play Store, from where you can install the application. Once you install it, open the application, you'll find such type of interface where there is an icon named as a store icon. You have to click on it. You'll move to the page called as My Courses, and in My Courses there is a search tab where you have to type CTET. Once you'll type CTET, the course along with the fees will be displayed downwards, and hence you can get enrolled to the course. Without any further ado, let us begin with the lecture. The first question of the lecture is: find the curved surface area of a cone if its slant height is 60 cm and the radius of its base is 21 cm. Two things you must be able to understand for solving this question. That is, what is slant height and what is the radius of the base. So whenever we discuss about the shape of the cone, so basically the cone structure is in such a way that you will find a circular base at the bottom, and these are the two lines that are going to connect each other, just like pyramid, but here the base is circular. Okay, here in case of cone, the base is circular. Here if you look at this point, this is called as apex or vertex. This is the base of the cone. This is called as the base of the cone. Now if we try to join the vertex to any of the circumference of the circle, any point of the circumference of circle. Now this is the vertex. Okay, I'm not able to draw proper diagram, just try to understand this again. So this is the vertex. The point from the vertex to any point of the circumference of this base circle, this is nothing but this is the length. This is called as the length and denoted by L. So what is height then? Height is the point from the apex, the point or the distance from the vertex of the cone or the apex of the cone to the base of the cone is called as vertex. Got it? So difference between the height and length, I hope you have got it. The point between a vertex, or we can say the distance between the vertex and any point on the circumference of the circle which is present at the base of the cone, that is the length denoted by L. And what is H over here? H is the height of the cone. It means height here denotes the distance between the apex or vertex. It is called as apex or vertex. Apex or vertex up to the base is called as height. Okay, now in the given question they have mentioned as the height is equals to 60 centimeter. And the second thing that they have mentioned here is the radius of this base. Radius is equals to 21 centimeter, and they're asking us to find the curved surface area of the cone. Okay, so whatever the required formulas are there for the cone, I'll discuss at the end of the lecture. One by one we'll discuss the formula for required question. Okay, so let us solve this question first. So in question they have mentioned us the radius. Okay, and the second thing that they have given here is the slant height. Okay, look here now. This is the cone, for example. For example, this is the cone. I'll draw now slowly. Okay, in this particular cone they have mentioned us the radius, which is equals to 21 centimeter, and the slant height that we have already discussed, the distance between the apex to the base of the circle, they have mentioned is 60 centimeter, and they're asking us to find the curved surface area. So please note the formula for the curved surface area of a right circular cone. This will give us pi r into L. Pi r into L. Now we know what is L. L is the distance from the apex to the circumference point of the given circle, any circular point, okay, any circumference point. So here we know the value for pi. What is the value for pi? Value for pi is 22/7. Distance for the given, radius for the given circle is 21 centimeter, and the slant height mentioned over here is 60 centimeter. So this will be pi r into L. It means pi into r. R will give us 21. Slant height, it means L here is 60 centimeter. This will give us 7 3s are 21. 33, am I right? Sorry, 66 into 60. This will give us 3960 centimeter. Got it? Height, difference between the height, difference between the slant height. What is the radius given over here? Yes, we have find based upon that curved surface area, which is pi r into L, which is equals to 3960 centimeter square, not centimeter. Okay, so the correct answer for the given question is option number A, 3960. Moving on to the question number 2. In question number 2, they have asked us the radius of the cone that they have mentioned is a 5 centimeter. The radius r is equals to 5 centimeter. The vertical height is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the curved surface. Okay, so they are again asking us to find the area of the curved surface. What they have mentioned here, the radius that they have mentioned is a 5 centimeter. They have mentioned vertical height, not slant height. Slant height, it means L. Vertical height, it means H. Okay, this is equals to 12 centimeter. They are asking us slant height. Okay, first what we have to find here, one thing, the radius of the cone is 5 centimeter. The vertical height that they have mentioned here is a 12 centimeter. We know the formula for the curved surface area. Yes, right now in the previous question we have discussed the formula for the curved surface area is pi into r into L. And what does L represent? L represent the slant height. This was the slant height, which was the 60 centimeter that they have mentioned. Okay, but here they have given us vertical height, not the slant height. So what we will do first, we have to find the slant height. Why? Because the formula for the curved surface area right now, as we have discussed, is pi r L. Got it? So pi r L is the formula for the curved surface area. In the given question, they have given us data of radius and height, that is vertical height. We have to first find the slant height. So the option given here are 200.28, 204.28, 236.28 and 315. Okay, so we'll find the slant height first. Now to find the slant height, I'll give you one formula, and to understand that formula, look at this cone first. Okay, for example, this is the cone where right now we have discussed this H is the vertical height, the L given here is the slant height or the length of the cone, and the second thing that we have discussed was the radius r. Okay, so if we look at this carefully, if we look at the cone carefully, we can find that this particular cone is giving us a shape of just a minute, just look at how I'm drawing the diagram. I'm not able to draw it perfectly, but I just want to help you to understand the concept. Okay, so if we look at these particular dotted lines which I have drawn here, so this is what this gives us. This is going to give us height H, which is a vertical height that they have mentioned in question is 12 centimeter. The one that they have given here, the second data that they have given here is the radius, that is equal to 5 centimeter, and they have asked us to find the curved surface area. Okay, so by using the Pythagoras theorem, we know the value for H which is equal to 12 centimeter, the value of radius which is equals to 5 centimeter. Can I find the value of L by using the Pythagoras theorem? Yes, I can. So the value for the given length, or we can say the slant height of the slant height of the cone is equal to, the slant height of the cone is the distance from the vertex or the apex to the point on the outer line of the circular base. Okay, so the formula for the Pythagoras theorem, L is equal to, we know the Pythagoras theorem, right? L square is equals to, that is a hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Yes, hypotenuse square, what is hypotenuse over here? L square. L square is equal to r square plus h square. Can I write like this? L square is equal to r square plus h square. So L is equals to under root of, taking square root on both the sides, this will give me L is equal to under root of r square plus h square. So from this particular formula, I'll be able to get the value of the slant height, that is equal to L. Okay, so I'll get the value of L, then I'll put the value of L in the curved surface area formula for the cone, that is equal to pi RL. Then I'll be able to solve the question very easily. Okay, I hope you have got the formula for the slant height. Okay, so the method that I am following over here is basically I'm just making you understand the formulas using different questions. Okay, once you will be able to understand this formula, then you can easily solve the questions, because based upon the formula only questions are asked, not too difficult questions can come from this topic. Okay, so L is equal to r square plus h square. So I'll take this as, I'll use this particular formula for this now. Okay, L square is equal to r square plus h square. This will give me 15 square. R is what? R is the radius. Radius is equals to what? 25. Radius is 5. Okay, 5 square is 25. What is h? H they have given here is 12 centimeter. What is the square for 12? 144. Am I right? So 25 plus 144 will give me 169. So this is the value for L square. What will be the value of L then? 13. So 13 square is equals to 169. So the value of L is equal to 13 centimeter. We have got the value of L now. So we'll put in the formula for the curved surface area, that is equal to pi into r into L. So what is the value of pi? I'll take here 3.14 for the ease of calculation. Okay, and what is the radius given here? Radius is equals to 5 centimeter. And what is the length? Length is equals to 13 centimeter. That is the slant height. Okay, slant height over here. 3.14 into 5 into 13, this will give me, T is 204.28. So 204.28 centimeter square is the curved surface area for the given cone. So option number B is the correct answer for the given question. Moving on to the next question now. The radius of the cone that they have mentioned here is equals to 7 centimeter. The curved area, and the area of the curved surface that they have mentioned is 176 centimeters square. They have asked us to find the slant height. Again, a simple question based upon the same formulas that we have discussed. We'll try to solve the question. A radius given is equals to 7 centimeter. Next thing that they have mentioned here is the curved surface area. Curved surface area is equals to 176 centimeters square, and we have to find the slant height. Okay, slant height, that means we have to find the L's value. So we know the formula for the curved surface area. The formula for the curved surface area is equals to pi RL. So the value of curved surface area mentioned is 176 centimeters square. Value for pi is 22 upon 7. Value of radius is equals to 7 centimeter into the length. 7 got cancelled. So 176, this 22, when it goes on this side, it will go in division. So 176 divided by 22 is equals to the length. So length is equal to 8 centimeter. Got it? So here the value of the slant height of the cone is equal to 8 centimeter. Again, based upon the simple formula. Moving on to the next question. The height of the cone is equals to 21 centimeter. Find the area of the base if the slant height is mentioned is equals to 28 centimeter. Now they have given us the height. Height is equal to what? 21 centimeter. So whenever they are mentioning height over there, you have to understand it as the vertical. Okay, the vertical height. So here the height of the cone that they have mentioned is equal to the 21 centimeter, and the slant height, that is L, is equal to 28 centimeter. Okay, now they're asking us to find the area area of the base. Area of the base means area of the circular base over here, right? We know in case of cone the base is the circular shape. So here we know one thing, that to find the area, of the cone, we must know the formula. The area of the circular base, is equals to pi r square. Okay, first, area of circular base is equals to pi r square. We know the value for pi, yes, but we don't know the value of the radius over here. What we know here is we only know the height. It means we know the height, this particular portion, that is equal to 21 centimeter. We know the slant height, that is equal to 28 centimeter. They have mentioned as the height and the slant height. We have to find the radius first. Once we will find the radius, we can add this particular radius in this formula. Okay, so to find the value of radius, again we'll use the same formula that we have seen earlier, that is the by using the Pythagoras theorem, the slant height, that is it means that L square is equals to r square plus h square. Okay, what is L square over here? 28 centimeter, that is 28 square is equal to r square as it is. We know the value for h is equal to 21 square. So the formula for this I'm going to use here is r square is equals to 28 square minus 21 square. This will give me r is equals to 7 under root of 7 centimeter. I can take this, I can write this as 7 into under root of 7 as well. Okay, 7 into under root of 7. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, now I'll put the value of r in this particular formula, that is area is equal to pi r square. Now again we know the formula for value of pi, 22 upon 7 into, we know the value of r square, that is 7 into under root of 7 square. Okay, here 7 got cancelled. Yes, simply what you can do is 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7, and under root of 7 into under root of 7 is going to give you 7. So 49 into 22, this will give me 1078. So the area of the base of the cone is 1078 centimeter square. That is option number C is the correct answer for the given question. Moving on to the next question, we have to find the total surface area of a right circular cone with the given radius 6 centimeter and the height is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so for this particular question, what is given here? They have given us radius. Radius is equals to 6 centimeter. Height, it means again a vertical height, is equals to 8 centimeter. So make one thing clear in your mind, whenever they are simply mentioning height in the question, it means compulsorily you have to take the vertical height. And if they are mentioning clear cut in the question slant height, it means that you have to take the L, that is the slant height of the cone. Okay, so just make a clear difference among the vertical height and the slant height. They have asked us to find the total surface area of the cone. So to find the total surface area of the cone, first thing what we are going to do is find the value of L, and we know to find the to find the area, what we'll do first is we'll find the value of the slant height. Okay, right now we have discussed L square is equal to r square plus h square is the formula to find the value of length. We know r value, that is equals to 6 square, h is equals to 8, it means 8 square. This will give me 36 plus 64, so this is going to give me 100, right? So L is equal to 10. Got it? This is equals to L square is equal to 100. So L will be the so the value of L is 10 centimeter. So to find now the total surface area of the cone, we have find the curved surface area. Till now we have find the curved surface area. So the total surface area of the cone is One thing keep in mind always, whenever we talk about the curved surface area, in curved surface area we are not including the area of the circular base. Look here, this is the shape of the cone. So whenever we talk about the curved surface area, we are actually talking about this particular region only, not this circular base, not this circular base. But whenever we are talking about the total surface area, it means the curved surface area plus the area of circular base. We are including both the areas, area of the circular base plus the curved surface area. So what is the area, curved surface area? Right now we have seen the formula, that is pi rl plus area of the circular base. We know the area of the circle, that is equals to pi r square. So pi rl plus pi r square will give us the total surface area. Got it? Insert the values in this particular formula and then we'll get the value of the total surface area. So what is pi's value? 22/7 into what is the value of r here? 6 into the value of l is equal to 10 centimeters. So put here 10 plus, again the value for pi is 22/7 into what is the value of r? 6 into 6. Simply you can take the common part as well, that is pi r in common, l plus r. Okay, we can take in that way also. So this will give us, I have already calculated this, 1320/7. It means 132. Yes, am I right? 132 into 10. This will give me 1320/7 plus again 132 into 6. This will give me 792/7. Yes, am I right? Yes, let me check once. Yes, correct. So here, this is going to give us 301.71 centimeter square. Got it? So the correct answer for the given question is option number A. So here we have tried to understand the question based upon the cone. Okay. So a few more formulas that I want you to note down will be, just a minute, I'll clear one slide over here and then I'll add one slide. Just a minute, wait. So if you look at this particular cone shape, so one thing that you can clearly understand here is few of formula are important. The first formula that we have studied right now is the slant. Just a minute. Slant height, that is L. Okay, L is equal to under root of r square plus h square. What is L? L is the slant height. It means this is the circular base, this is the cone, this was the slant height, that is equal to the L, and this is the height, okay, the vertical height, and this was the r. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we have find the value of L over here. L is equal to under root of r square plus h square. The second formula that is important, that was the curved surface area. Curved surface area is equals to pi r l. Next formula that we have seen was total surface area. Total surface area, it means curved surface area plus the area of the circular base, ACB, I am writing over here, that is equal to pi r l plus pi r square. Okay, so this was the total surface area formula. The next formula, here you can also write it as by taking pi r in common, L plus r. Yes, this is the formula for the total surface area. Okay, and the one more important formula on which we have not taken the question, but a question may be asked on this, that is volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h cubic unit. So here what is what is the volume? Volume, basically we are calculating the volume of the cube, where r is nothing but the radius of the circle and h is nothing but the vertical height of the cone. So these are the few important formulas based upon which questions can be directly asked in the examination. Okay, so just be prepared for this and just try to understand the formulas. Do not just rectify all those. Okay, so the value of this slant height, curved surface area, total surface area, and the volume of the cube questions can be directly asked. Okay, so this was the end of today's lecture, where we have understand the question based upon the cone shape of 3D structure. In tomorrow's lecture, I think we'll be starting up with the new topic where we'll be talking about some questions based upon maybe ratio or proportion or the percentage, and then we'll solve the next topic mainly based upon the arithmetic part. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. If you're liking the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. And if you have any kind of doubt or any suggestion regarding the enrollment of the course or regarding how to like carry out this session, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe it and share to the maximum possible students who are preparing for the examination. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.